How to log in into the FedEx Employee Self-Service Portal. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in FedEx Employee Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, My Profile FedEx, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. FedEx is known for being one of the largest, most reliable and most trusted transportation and business service corporations across the world. In order to log into FedEx account, all you need to do is fill this. Provide your credentials of FedEx account. Firstly, type in your user ID and then type in the password. If you want to remember your user ID, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option to register for your FedEx account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into the FedEx Employee Self-Service Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.